Welcome to the Elements of Art and Principles of Design Icebreaker. So what you're going to do is use your 2.5-inch square canvas, and you're going to pick a shape. It can be any shape. I'm using rectangles. So you're going to need to repeat your shape a minimum of 10 times, not more than 20. As you overlap your shape, you're going to actually create new shapes from the overlap. And you just want to make sure your canvas is filled. So now that you have your shapes drawn in pencil, you're going to use a color scheme. You can look at a color wheel, either one that your art teacher projects, or possibly they have one hanging in the art room that you can look at. But you want to choose a color scheme that works well together. I'm using warm colors. And once you're done, we're going to talk about the different elements of art that you see. In this design, you see lines, you see shapes, the rectangles, you see color, warm colors. Warm colors are colors of the sun. You see space because they're overlapping and it creates depth. Positive space are the actual rectangles. Negative space is the surrounding space. So that would be the lightest yellow that's in the background of the design. There are also a lot of principles of design that we created, which you see repetition, you see contrast in the different colors, you see variety in terms of the sizes and the shapes of the rectangles, you see unity, proportion and scale. Some are large, some are small. So these are some designs created by students, and I kind of wanted to talk to you a little bit about the fact that no matter what you do, you're going to use elements of art to create principles of design. That's just the way it is. It's like using letters and words to write an essay. You can't get around it. You always are using the elements of art, and when you use those elements of art, you create principles of design.